Hello and welcome to our new lecture, that is Introduction to Data Connectivity in SAP Analytics Cloud. In SAP Analytics Cloud, we will explore how many types of data connections are available and how we can make it possible that every database should be connected, and how we can connect our database, how we can connect our data models to the data connection, either it is live or either is import. So let's begin. So for uploading data from the Excel file, we have to create a data set. Let's first go to the option of the vertical bar. In this options, you can find the data set. Here it is. First click on the data set app. Here it is. Now it's asking for either you want to create from a data set from the data source, either it's the S4 HANA or any other resource, or you want to create the data set by using the CSV or Excel file. So let's first create from a CSV or Excel file. Let's click on the select source file. Let's select this retail says mock data and select this, then click on the open. Now system has been uploaded our CSV file, and now we have to click on the import button. The system is asking for naming for your data set, so you should write at the DS for data set, and then in the score or whatever you want to name the file. I click on the save file. Here it is. Now our data is going to be loaded. It's showing that preparing data import, and our data is going to be loaded into SAP Analytics Cloud, and you can show all the columns available in the file. Here it is. Now our data has been is showing same as present into the Excel file. In the Excel file there are only 4 columns present there, and now we have to click on the save button. If you want to do some transformation, we can do transformation, concatenate, and all the options which can we do for the for maintaining the data set, for filtering the data set, or for splitting any column according to the requirement. So for now I will click on the save button and then click on the save. Now system is saving our data. Here it is. Now our data has been saved. So it's mean our data has been saved, and we can use this data set wherever we want to use. So if you want to create the data, if you want to create a story by using this data source, so I will click on the stories and then click on the responsive, then click on the create. I just select the chart and then drag and drop here. So now the system is asking for the data set or model. So the data set which we have recently imported is the DS, it is says mock data. I will select this. I double click it on, and now system is generating the chart according to our data set. Now it's asking for the measure. I will select the measure just as any other data model column, and now I can also select the dimension because only the date dimension is present here. So I will select the date. Here it is. Now our dimension date has been added. So in this way we can connect Excel data source to our SAP Analytics Cloud. In this way we can upload our Excel data, and whatever analysis we want to do we can easily do in SAP Analytics Cloud. So what are the differences between live or import connections? The live connection will have the live connection will have real-time data. You can do analysis on the real-time data. Or the live connection is dependent on the backend, and backend dependent. Either if the S4 HANA backend is not available, the live connection will also not show the relative data. Also, a limited transformation option is available, whereas the import scenario, a lot of options available for the transformation. The last but not least, the no duplication of data can be created in case of live connection, whereas in the case of import connection, duplication can be exist. So let's find the import connection. Import connection had the static data. No updation of data is going to be happen automatically. You have to make schedule update, or you have to do data update manually. So but as compared to the performance wise, the import connections are very rich, and are very fast. Import connection performance are very fast, and it's show data very rapidly, whereas the live connection have to do communication to the backend, and whereas the import connection don't need any connection with the backend, because it already imported data to itself. As far as the transformation is concerned, a rich transformation options are present in case of import connection. Import connection also use the space of the SAP Analytics Cloud, whereas the live connection don't utilize any space, because all the data present into the backend system, whereas all the data import into the SAP Analytics Cloud in case of import connection.